Hi YouTube, it's James Riley here. You are now live with D1 Tech, and today we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S9 and how you can get it for less than $300.
I'm gonna love you.
Alrighty guys, so recently Samsung just announced the Samsung Galaxy S9, their latest and greatest flagship phone with all the latest specs on the camera, the display, as well as the design. So if you're looking for a new phone, this is the perfect time to pick up the Samsung Galaxy S9. So guys, I kind of put a table on the screen that kind of shows you all the different prices for Samsung, Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, as well as Sprint. As you can see, some of the prices are pretty high, and they do offer in some trade-in values, but again, the price will not be or be less than $300. So guys, where can you get the best deal? Go to Best Buy. Best Buy is offering a pre-order special this Friday, March 2nd, that if you pre-order the phone, you get a $100 discount. Then, let's say you were to, trade in your old device, okay? You get upwards of $350 off the rebate, okay? So there you go, that's $450 right there. If you just decide to buy the phone outright, you're already saving money, okay? Just from Best Buy is $720 flat, okay? Now, didn't I just say you get $450 off? Well, subtract that from $720, the price of the phone, and you're looking at $270, okay? Not including taxes, by the way. Just gotta make sure you know that. I will want you to understand that it is a great deal and the perfect time to get the Samsung Galaxy S9 from Best Buy for less than $300. All right, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you get a good deal on the Samsung Galaxy S9. Please like and subscribe if you want more videos. And you were just live with D1 Tech.